Cooking should be a joy, not a frustration, and with this Utopia Kitchen pre-seasoned cast iron skillet set, your cooking experience is about to get much more enjoyable. Whether you're new to the world of cast iron or looking to upgrade your cookware, this versatile 3-piece set, featuring 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch skillets, is perfect for anyone who loves cooking with heat-retaining, even cooking kitchen tools. With its superior heat retention, versatility, and easy-to-care-for design, this set gives you everything you need to make everything from juicy steaks and crispy chicken to deliciously baked cornbread, or even meals over an open flame at a campsite. If you want to cook with the finest, this set is the one. Why choose the Utopia Kitchen pre-seasoned cast iron skillet set? Number 1. Superior heat retention for even cooking. The Utopia Kitchen cast iron skillet set is engineered to distribute heat evenly, ensuring that every corner of your pan heats consistently. This even heat distribution is a game changer for cooking delicate items like eggs, sautéing vegetables, or even searing meats without worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking. The 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch skillets allow you to select the right size for your dish, ensuring better cooking results every time. Number 2. Versatile use. Across stovetops, ovens, grills, and campfires. Not only are these skillets perfect for your stovetop, but their versatility extends to ovens, grills, and campfires, making them an ideal choice for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Whether you're making a seared steak on the stovetop or baking a fresh loaf of bread in the oven, these skillets can handle the job. Even better, if you're an outdoor enthusiast, these skillets are rugged enough to withstand cooking over an open flame, making them perfect for camping trips or backyard grilling. Number 3. Pre-seasoned for instant cooking enjoyment. One of the standout features of this set is that it's pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, making it ready to use right out of the box. This pre-seasoning provides a natural, non-stick cooking surface, reducing the hassle of seasoning the skillets yourself. Each use also enhances the skillet's seasoning, further improving its non-stick capabilities. Whether you're a cast iron newbie or an experienced user, this is a major convenience that will save you time and effort. Number 4. Easy grip handles for safe and secure handling. The Utopia Kitchen skillets come with ergonomically designed easy grip handles that make handling the pan simple and secure, even with oven mitts. No more struggling with awkward, uncomfortable handles. The carefully crafted handle design ensures that you can lift your skillets with ease, whether they're coming out of the oven or being transferred to the stovetop. Number 5. Simple maintenance and long-lasting durability. While cast iron requires some maintenance, this set is easy to care for. Simply rub a light coating of vegetable oil after each wash to protect the surface and prevent rust. After cooking, clean the skillets with a sponge and hot soapy water, and avoid using harsh chemicals. They are not dishwasher safe, but their durability and easy care routine will ensure they last for generations with proper use. Key features of the Utopia Kitchen pre-seasoned cast iron skillet set. Superior heat retention for consistent cooking results. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil for a natural non-stick finish, right out of the box. Versatile use on stovetops, ovens, grills, and campfires. Ergonomically designed handles for easy and secure handling. Includes 3 skillets, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch sizes for various cooking needs. Easy maintenance to ensure longevity. Ideal gift for both beginners and seasoned cooks, making it the perfect cooking gift for men and women. Who should buy the Utopia Kitchen pre-seasoned cast iron skillet set? Home cooks looking for versatile, durable cookware that delivers consistent, even heat. Outdoor enthusiasts or campers who need reliable cookware that can handle the heat and be used over an open fire. Anyone looking to up their cooking game with a set of versatile skillets that can do everything from searing meats to baking cornbread. Gift givers who need a practical, thoughtful gift for friends, family, or anyone who enjoys cooking. Conclusion. The Utopia Kitchen pre-seasoned cast iron skillet set is an essential addition to any kitchen, providing superior heat retention, even cooking, and unmatched versatility. Whether you're cooking on the stovetop, baking in the oven, grilling outside, or even cooking over a campfire, this 3-piece skillet set handles it all. With its pre-seasoned surface, easy grip handles, and simple maintenance, you'll enjoy a hassle-free cooking experience every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.